how to find love. Don't you go anywhere. Stay right here. Well, hello and welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Arica Angelo. I am the CEO and founder of the Arica Angelo Intimacy Experience. And what is intimacy without love? You got to have the love. But before I go on and share what we're going to do to get you ready for love, I want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And then that little bell icon, make sure you hit that so that every time I release a new video, you get the notification that a video is ready for you to watch. I always hate when other YouTubers are like, we're gonna do this and we're gonna do it in 3 easy steps. But I'm gonna be that person, and we are gonna do it with 3 steps, and the easy part is up to you. You know, most of us go through life, you're not the only ones. I'm not trying to single you out here, but most of us go through life with like these shades of fear. What? Don't look at me, I'm afraid. Quit looking at me. We put on masks, we put on fancy clothes, we try to disappear and make sure that no one sees us. Why? Because we're afraid. We're afraid that we're going to be rejected. We're afraid that people are going to think that we're weird. And we all go through this. I just shared on my Instagram that in all of my years of learning and discovering people, that at the end of the day, we're all weird. But most of us really do. We go through life afraid. We're running around, we're going to work, we're having lunch, we're going shopping, and at the end of the day, we're constantly afraid. What is that person going to think of me? Did I do the wrong thing? Did I say the wrong thing? Should I have done this? And we're constantly analyzing ourselves, that we stay hidden behind this mask of fear. So when love comes to show up, we're like, I don't know, I'm spending so much time with my fear that I can't even see the possibilities. That's what fear does. It closes our eyes to the possibilities around us. It gets us focused and being so inward within ourselves that we don't even see the opportunity around us. So my suggestion to you is spend less time with fear, spend more time observing who and what is going on around you, which leads me to my next point. Be open to everyone. Now listen, when I'm out and about, wherever I am, I talk to everybody. If I see a beautiful woman, girlfriend, I love your dress. If I see a hot guy, you know what, you got a good looking face. Wherever I go, I'm always talking to people, even children, even elderly people. Wherever I go, I carry an open posture of, I want to interact with the world around me. Too often I see with people, it's like when they're looking for love, it's like they get pigeonholed. It has to be the person that I'm into. You're doing it all wrong. You have to go around the problem. Instead of getting focused on, I want to talk to the person I'm attracted to, instead, change up your energy, loosen up a bit, and when you go out and about, make sure that you are talking to everyone around you. One, it shows confidence, and people are drawn to people who have energy and who are confident, and we see them interacting with the world around us. We go, hey, I want to be more like that person. But being open is even going on dates. I see too many times people carrying around these mental checklists of if a person checks off or not. Listen, you have no idea if this person checks off, yes or no. The only thing that you can do is be open and be open to experiencing that person. So before you bring out your checklist and start saying no and why they're not the person for you, instead step back, observe, be in the moment, and be open to the person in front of you. Most of us have these checklists because we think we know what we want. I can guarantee you, if I were to take the time and say, what is it that you want? You would give me a checklist. But if someone showed up with all of those things that absolutely did not resonate with your checklist, but they made you smile, they made you see things about yourself that you never saw before, they give you affection in ways that nobody else gave you affection, you definitely would be scratching your head going, I never would have thought of that person. So many couples out there are unlikely couples, and the only way that they were able to find and discover that about that person was by remaining open and observing. Which leads me to my next one. Say yes. I think because so many of us are swarmed with fear, we're so inclined to just say no to people, to say no to opportunities, to not even see opportunity around us because we're in fear, we have our walls up, whatever the case may be. But we're more inclined to miss opportunity because it doesn't come in the box we think it should. So I want you to start saying yes. Yes to opportunities. If people invite you out for a mixer, say yes. If a woman recommends a certain coffee, see that as an opportunity as, yes, she wants me to ask her out for that coffee. There are opportunities all around you. I want you to get in the habit of starting to say yes. Yes to all opportunities. Here's the thing. We all wait for the love moment to happen while we're saying no and we're being fearful and we're not observing the world around us, putting people in boxes, and we don't realize that love can happen at any given moment. So we have to condition ourselves now in our day-to-day life to be ready for it. It doesn't just happen when you meet that person. No, it's your preparation and what you do now and today to prepare you to be ready to meet that person.
So listen, boo thing, you're gonna have to take off them sunglasses.
It's right. Quit. You can't keep going around shaded by fear.
What? I'm trying to find love.
And the other thing is you have to be open. Say yes to the people around you. Take the shades of fear off. Be more open. And
oh my gosh, it was so weird. I was at yoga and people were like trying to talk to me. I mean, that is so weird. Oh. Namaste.
Start saying yes to opportunity and look for opportunity. There's opportunity all around you and it's going to show up. So be ready and start by conditioning yourself to say yes.
You have to say yes to opportunity.
If you're new to my work, if you're new to love, even if you're in a relationship, I find that there is one thing that helps us all. It's a solid principle, whether you're single or in a relationship, that we all have to have this one principle. And I share it with you in my free training video. So make sure that you click the link in the description below or on one of these buttons somewhere that pop up on the video. Listen, no matter where you are in your life, whether you are single, whether you're in a relationship, know this. Know that you are deeply loved and that you matter. Whether you're single, in a relationship, happy or unhappy, no matter where you are, who you are as a person, you are lovable, you are loved, and love is waiting to receive you.
You gotta say yes to opportunity. Because you gotta say yes to opportunity.